This is my trip to Maui. To fully appreciate this journey, we have to talk about all the other times I've been to Hawaii. Growing up, I felt like I've been to Hawaii often enough to know what Hawaii was like. Being my age now, I realized so much more to the Hawaiian Islands that I was naive to think that I knew enough about. To be quite frank, I was probably too young to remember most of what happened. We have pictures of luau's and beaches and underwater pictures of corals. I do remember seeing so many colors, and the first time I ever rode in a convertible was in Hawaii. To this day, a convertible is my dream car, and is still a bucket list item for me to rent a convertible and drive it around the Hawaiian Islands. I've been very lucky to go to so many Hawaiian islands. Including the Big Island, Oahu, and Kauai. Since these were family trips, everything was planned for me, and I didn't really have a say in what I wanted to do. Or know what I wanted to do, for that matter. While family trips are fun, there's just something so freeing when you get to plan your own trips. You're the one dictating your day and deciding your adventures. Nothing is ever too dangerous or too expensive because you know your own limits. And the last time I was on a Hawaiian island was in Kauai about 10 years ago. I had just graduated high school at the time, and I was literally young, dumb, and broke to think that I could spend my high school graduation in Kauai. Even though I had prepaid for my hotel and my flight, I could barely afford a taxi to get to the hotel, so being able to afford the luxuries I experienced in Hawaii, specifically in Maui, made me feel like I finally made it in life. There's literally no words to describe how much I love visiting this island. Maui is literally a dream. Every day was waking up in paradise. I was so spoiled staying at the Grand Wailea. And I became addicted to the Mai Tai and garlic truffle fries at Monkey Pod. There is so much to explore on Maui. From the warm waters of the beaches to the frigid mountains of Holekila. Maui is definitely one of those places that you have to visit. Everything is truly expensive here, and it's because goods are getting imported to the island.
We are currently at Safeway. I have no idea what we're gonna buy, but we're gonna figure it out.
I saved quite a bit of money by camping and making my own meals for at least 2 days. So I recommend stopping by the grocery store as soon as you get on the island.
So excited. Finally getting on the road after an hour and a half trying to figure out life out. Mom.
I did the typical road to Hana, with the first stop in Pipiwea. I ate the best fish tacos and nasi bowls here. I promise you, the honey tastes better in Maui. Beyond Pipiwea, the road to Hana is truly a spiritual journey of patience and adventure. We had rented a vehicle from Camp Car, and I 100% recommend doing this. You get your vehicle and your camping gear all in one fair price. And it's the best way to do the road to Hana because you also get to camp on the beach. When doing the road to Hana, expect long waits and hide your belongings. Maui is notorious for car theft, so keep all your valuables with you at all times. The colors in Hawaii are more vibrant than I remember them, with the clear turquoise waters and the luscious greens you could only dream of. Because I got on the road so late, a lot of the stops were closed, and getting to the campsite before dark was really important because there is absolutely no street lights to help you see. Successful second stop. We got coconut. Yes, coconut. Banana bread. Banana bread. Banana bread. Banana bread. Banana bread.
Good morning. Today is our third day in Hawaii, or Maui, and we are in, I can't pronounce the state park. We're gonna make some breakfast, and then we're gonna get going on the road where we're gonna stop in Hana, and then we're gonna visit the Olivine, I think, pools. And then we're gonna come on back and see a lot of the stuff that we didn't see on the way in because we were too worried about getting here before nightfall, and thank goodness we did because we got here right when the sun set. And so we're gonna have some breakfast, and then we're gonna get going. We got some garlic syrup, and then we got bananas, and then pineapple, the gold. Very
There's no such thing as over-preparing when you travel to Maui. There are different terrains, and it could easily lend to wearing various attire. I'd attempted to see sunrise at Mount Halakila, and no amount of motivation could have gotten me out to go into the freezing cold. Towards the end of the trip, I was really bummed that I didn't get to see sea turtles. And to my delight, it came swimming right past us. We're on our final hours here on Maui. Our flight got delayed, and we're stuck on a beach, which is a good quality problem to have with this beautiful sunset. So this is what we got. I got shrimp taco. I think this is asada, and that's lengua. I'm so grateful for all the times I've ever been to Hawaii. They each add another puzzle piece to my life story. And I can't wait to return.